I'd stop this because that's clearly come loose, but if I leave it running, that bit at the back there looks like it's printing okay and it's nearly finished, so I'm going to leave it. And I'll worry about this some other time. Right, I've abandoned it now because this has gone completely loose. But we have got that bit printed okay, so when I re-slice this, I don't need to print that bit. That'll save a bit of time. But yeah, that's just come completely loose there. That's trying a brim instead of a raft. Hi guys. It's just coming on to rain outside. Bobble Head Grandad. Did this the other day, or at least I did one the other day. Worked fine. Feet underneath, he sits on top, spring in between, and he rocks backwards and forwards like a bobblehead toy or ornament. Sort of thing you put in the car normally and it rocks as you're going along. Anyway, I gave that one away, and since then I've had comments on the video suggesting other things I could do with it. One was to make it solar powered, so I've printed another one. I'll put a spring up the middle, get him to balance, and then put a magnet probably on the end of his walking stick. Could go anywhere really, but that'd be a convenient place to put it. And then use this just to test it. I'll give him a bit of sunshine. I did that one a year or so back. But it's just easy that I can lift that off there and make use of that coil just to test the idea. So, can we get this separated out without it breaking? I'm having problems with my 3D printer at the moment, or the files. Well, as you can see, they're not working out quite right in some cases. That's for another little idea. If I can get this separated out, I might do this off screen just in case I swear if it breaks. So I'll sort that out. Right, I've actually used blue tack because I want to be able to take it apart again quite easily. So spring, blue tack, that's holding it in place, so he wobbles around nicely. So what I'm going to do is take this apart, which is also held together with blue tack. I think. Well, I've glued that. Oh, that's annoying. Well, never mind, we can still access the coil. So if I put a little magnet on the end of his stick, it needs to be a bit shorter, really. Oh, I'll stick it on the outside for now. Again, just a temporary thing, just so we can see if we can get him need a bit of a balance weight there to compensate for that. Needs to be a bit higher up. So that one's basically for Mark Volmeyer. Said, could we make it solar powered? Obviously I could tidy it up a bit so it was more effective. But every time a pulse is coming down to that coil, that's making him, or repelling the magnet, which is making him rock. Quite amusing listening to the rain falling outside. Right, so that's that. That's a very basic conversion to solar powered. You need to put a bit more weight at the back here to balance that so he sits up straighter. A bit too much weight now. It's high enough now, we can probably get that right on the end. The light's flickering now, isn't it? On the camera. Let's tidy that up a bit. There you go, Mark. Solar powered Bobble Head Grandad. It's difficult to actually stop him going. Right. Stopped. Yeah, there we go. Okay, spent long enough on that. Now go and try one of the other suggestions I was given. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.